Guys, welcome to Automation Club, and let's continue to work on Protractor framework designing. So in this video we will implement a data driven using Jasmine data provider. So instead of hard coding the value inside the script, we will make a separate file, and there we will keep all the data, and we'll try to run a set of data, multiple set of data. Okay, so for that there is a concept of data provider which is from Jasmine, and by using which we can implement it. Okay, so for that we need a dependency. So that is Jasmine data driven, Jasmine data provider, Jasmine data provider. So use the latest one. Okay, and when we add some additional dependency, what we need to do, we need to do npm install. Okay, so it has been installed. Now create a folder for maintaining the data. So create a folder called data. Okay, and inside that create a JSON file, test.json. So we will keep our data inside this file in JSON format. Okay, so here in script you can see there is a set of data with three datas. One is first name, other is last name, and then postcode. Okay, so similarly we will keep this data in JSON file. Okay, so here f name, suppose I do have a f name. Okay, David. L name, some L name. Okay, so Warner. Okay, next we do have a postcode. Give some value 1 2 3 4, and create another set of data. So this is one set of data which is used in script. Now create another set of data with some different value. Give some test to test or L test to, give some random name 2 3 4 5. Then create another set of data. So we will run with three set of data. Okay, test 3, L test 3. Okay, so I have created a JSON file with three sets of data. And now come to script. So in script you have to use where test data, and you have to give the path of your JSON file. Require where it is inside the data, right? So here I have used double dot, so it is relative path. So double dot means the hierarchy is different, like inside data it is, and your spec.ts is directly in the workspace. So that's why we have to use double dot. So after data we have test dot JSON. Fine. So we have given the path here. After that, you have to use a concept of called map. So in Java there is a hash map, right? So which store the value um, in the format of key and value pair, right? So similarly, so map will have a key value pair. So how it will read, this f name will be key and this David will be value. Okay, so there will be three sets of key and value pairs. Okay, so we will use it. So before it, so before the test set, before the test case which you want to run the multiple with the multiple set of data, use this variable. So now I have stored all the data from JSON file in the test data variable. Okay, so now your all the data will be available in test data. So use that dot map and use any variable called data. Keep it in last. Control V. Okay. So after that, now remove the spaces. Okay. So what I have done, I have created a JSON file. I have kept all the data in this file. Okay, so basically three sets of data which are being used in application. So it will run with three sets of data, and then in the script I have given the path of JSON file, and then I have used map. So it will be in the form of key and value pair. Okay, so now your data will be available inside this data key and data map. Okay, so use that. So instead of hard coding, just remove it. Data dot f name. Okay, so basically we do have three keys, right? F name, L name and postcode. Okay, so use it. So we will use key value to identify its values. Okay, data dot L name, then next we do have data dot postcode. Fine. So now you can see there is no hard coding of data, and also we will run this script with three sets of data. So we can execute, or we can use multiple set of data to execute our script and to run. Okay, so yes, I have done it. Now compile it, tsc, and run it. So it should run with three sets of data. So it launched the URL. Now bank manager login, add customer. Okay, see the data. Now it has taken the first set of data, David, Warner and 123, and for rest of the set I have given test as the first name or last name. So let's see. Again it has launched with second set of data, test 2. Okay, so it is too much fast, so you can see it. Now again it has launched with third set of data. Okay, so it entered the third set of data. Fine. So you can see there are 3 sets of data and result will be 3 sets. See the result. Customer added successfully with customer ID 6, 7 and 8 because we have printed this message. See here we have printed those messages. Okay, so 3 specs run because we have run a single spec with 3 sets of data. So total 3 specs have run, all 3 passed. So this is how we can achieve a data driven framework using Jasmine data provider, and by using it we can run with any number of test set. Okay, and also there will be no hard coding of data inside the script. Will maintain the data in some separate file. So similarly we can take the data from Excel sheet or a database as well. Okay, so this is how we can do data driven testing in Protractor with Jasmine framework. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks.